Cardano value kind of equivalent to $0.3308 a coin, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The present exchanged cost range, 0.3210. 0.3348, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, 0.3306, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The change by and large was plus 0.0002, plus 0.06%. For the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Backwards rate, United States dollars to ADA in a genuinely significant way. Cardano value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 8, cost $0.32, truly most extreme 0.34, sort of least 0.30 in a kind of significant manner. Cardano gauge on Thursday, walk 9, cost $0.32, fundamentally most extreme 0.34, beautiful least 0.30 in an unpretentious way. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, walk 10, cost $0.31, fundamentally most extreme 0.33, lovely least 0.29, which especially is genuinely critical. Cardano figure on Monday, walk 13, cost $0.31, truly most extreme 0.33, truly least 0.29 in a sort of significant manner. In multi-week Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 14, cost $0.30, genuinely most extreme 0.32, sort of least 0.28. Cardano gauge on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $0.31, especially most extreme 0.33, truly least 0.29, further appearance how Cardano cost expectation on Friday, walk 10, cost $0.31, all things considered, greatest 0.33 in every practical sense, least 0.29 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost $0.30, most extreme 0.32, genuinely least 0.28, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano gauge on Friday, walk 17, cost $0.30, kind of most extreme 0.32, essentially least 0.28 in an especially enormous way. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, walk 20, cost $0.31, most certainly greatest 0.33, especially least 0.29, or so they thought. In about 14 days Cardano estimate on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $0.30, sort of greatest 0.32, especially least 0.28 in an exceptionally large way. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $0.29, extremely greatest 0.31, by and large least 0.27, which generally is very huge. Cardano estimate on Thursday, walk 23, cost $0.29, truly greatest 0.31, fundamentally least 0.27, which basically is very critical. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, walk 24, cost $0.29, truly greatest 0.31, truly least 0.27, or so they generally thought. Cardano figure on Monday, walk 27, cost $0.28, exceptionally greatest 0.30, beautiful least 0.26 in an in every practical sense, significant way. In 3 weeks Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $0.28, extremely greatest 0.30, fundamentally least 0.26, which is genuinely critical. Cardano gauge on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $0.27, truly most extreme 0.29, exceptionally least 0.25 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, walk 30, cost $0.27 in every practical sense, most extreme 0.29, by and large least 0.25, which basically is genuinely critical. Cardano figure on Friday, walk 31, cost $0.28, sort of greatest 0.30, truly least 0.26, which in every practical sense, is genuinely critical. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, April 3, cost $0.27, extremely greatest 0.29, especially least 0.25 in an unobtrusive way. In about a month Cardano figure on Tuesday, April 4, cost $0.29, certainly greatest 0.31, most certainly least 0.27 in an unpretentious way. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, April 5, cost $0.31, for the most part greatest 0.33, lovely least 0.29. Or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano estimate on Thursday, April 6, cost $0.30, greatest 0.32, genuinely least 0.28 in a genuinely huge way. United States dollars to ADA conversion standard, especially equivalent to 3.0230 coins per $1 in an unobtrusive manner. Today's reach, 2.9869 to 3.1153. Which especially is very huge. The past AS nearby, 3.0248, showing how US to ADA conversion standard extremely equivalent to 3.0230 coins per $1, or so they generally thought. Change for now 0.0018, 0.06%, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to ADA cost figure 4. In the not-so-distant future and month in a significant manner. Dollar to Cardano figure on Wednesday, WAC 8, costs 3.125 coins, fundamentally most extreme 3.333, especially least 2.941, which really is very critical. United States dollars to ADA expectation on Thursday, WAC 9, costs 3.125 coins, greatest 3.333. Exceptionally least 2.941 in an essentially large way. Dollar to Cardano figure on Friday, WAC 10, costs 3.226 coins, most certainly greatest 3.448, by and large least 3.030, which really is genuinely huge. United States dollars to ADA forecast on Monday, WAC 13, costs 3.226 coins, fundamentally greatest 3.448. Especially least 3.030 in a sort of huge manner. In multi-week dollar to Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, WAC 14, costs 3.333 coins, really most extreme 3.571, truly least 3.125, which is very critical. United States dollars to ADA forecast on Wednesday, WAC 15, costs 3.226 coins, lovely most extreme 3.448, beautiful least 3.030. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Thursday, WAC 16, costs 3.333 coins, especially greatest 3.571, extremely least 3.125, so dollar to Cardano gauge on Wednesday, WAC 8, costs 3.125 coins, most certainly greatest 3.333, truly least 2.941 in a kind of enormous manner. United States dollars to ADA forecast on Friday, WAC 17, costs 3.333 coins, lovely greatest 3.571, by and large least 3.125, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Cardano figure on Monday, WAC 20, costs 3.226 coins, all things considered, most extreme 3.448, genuinely least 3.